In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix SEO keywords, how to add them, update them, and why not change them. We'll walk through the exact flow inside Wix so you can set up your keywords correctly, optimize your homepage title and description, and understand when to update and when to leave things alone. Start by opening your Wix website editor. From there, click Go to Dashboard. In the Dashboard sidebar, select Marketing, then choose Go to SEO. On the Get Found on Google screen, click Get Started. Wix will guide you through a short setup. When you see a field to type information, enter your main keyword or brand term, the phrase that best represents what people should find you for. Then click Next. Wix will ask how your business serves customers. If you operate from a physical address or within a local service area, select that option. If you serve customers nationwide, worldwide, or only online, choose the online option. Pick the one that fits your business and continue with Next. When prompted again to type details, provide clear, relevant keywords or locations if applicable, and proceed. Now let's optimize your homepage title. Click. Set the homepage's title for search results. Use a clean, descriptive title that places your primary keyword toward the beginning and your brand toward the end. Keep it readable and under about 55 to 60 characters when possible. When you're happy, click Apply and Publish. Next, add your homepage meta description. Click. Add the homepage's description for search results. Write a short, compelling summary that includes your primary keyword once, highlights your value, and invites the click. If you need a refresher, open the How to Do It tip, then click Apply and Publish when done. Make sure your homepage has visible text content. Search engines need context to rank you. Also confirm that indexing is allowed so your homepage can appear in search results. Optimize your site for mobile to ensure titles, headings, and buttons look great on smaller screens. If you have a custom domain, connect it. This improves trust and helps with discoverability. Continue with page-level tasks. Add a meta description to your Contact Us page and make sure all images on that page have meaningful alt text. Then open the section to keep building on your site's SEO progress and follow Wix's recommendations as you go. Finally, a crucial tip: do not constantly change your keywords. Frequent changes reset momentum and confuse search engines. Choose focused keywords, keep them consistent for several months, and make incremental refinements instead of complete rewrites. Publish your updates, monitor results, and build steadily.